Hi everyone, my name's Anna and I'm the bar manager at the Artesian Bar. Now we know that you can't come to us at the moment, so we thought we'd come to you and bring some of our favourite cocktails from all the members of the team and show you how easy it is to make cocktails at home. Here's how to make one of my favourite drinks, the Margarita. So let's get the glass ready first of all. We're using a rocks glass, as it's one of the most common glasses to have at home. I like to have mine with a little bit of salt, so I'm just using half a lime, just to make sure the salt can stick. And just some regular table salt just there. We realised that a lot of you don't have the equipment that we have here, so we wanted to make it easy as possible. So today we're going to measure out all the ingredients using what I think everybody has at home. Traditional egg cup is around about 30 mils, so this is perfect measurements to make the margarita. So to start with, we're going to start with some lime juice here. So we just take some limes, cut them up and squeezed it into here. So we're going to use that 1 egg cup of this and just pour it straight into the shaker. If you don't have a shaker, then one of the flasks from the NutriBullet is a good alternative. Next, we're going to start with some orange liqueur. We're using Cointreau, but any liqueur as well you can use. So again, 30 mils of this. And lastly, tequila. We're going to use 2 egg cups of this. Lastly, to bind all the ingredients together, I always like to use a little bit of sugar in here. It also gives it that little bit of a sherbety sort of texture and taste to it. So just stir it, let the sugar dissolve. If you don't have a strainer, just simply use a spoon and pour it in like this. Now it's time to enjoy your margarita. I hope this keeps your spirits up. Cheers.